Hey! The last digit of your like on this video by each who you are from Melon Playground, and the last digit of your subscription to my channel will show your Melon Playground item. So go down right now, subscribe and give me a like. Look at the screen. Notice the last digit of your like and your subscription and write in the comments who you are from Melon Playground. It's simple, if your like is number 8 and the last digit of your subscription is number 5, you're a lemon and a cactus. Show your imagination and enjoy the show. Hello dear friends, you are on Melonfonk channel, and in this video we are going to talk about multiplayer and character management in Melon Playground. But before I start the video, I would like to say a huge thank you to these guys for being in my video. And if you want to be in my next episode, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, put a like, write your top comment. Well, and don't forget to subscribe to the cart, it's simple enough. Anyway, I won't waste your time and have a good time watching. Developers announced a new contest for the best Christmas-themed videos and the end of it on December 2nd, which suggests that it is December 23rd to 24th, as in the last year, respectively. Probably will be released a new Christmas update, which we are waiting for a long time, because the last update was released just a month and a half ago, which is a very big number for Melon Playground. Perhaps the best mod or build, maybe a video or art, will be in the future update Melon Playground, so if you have some skills or knowledge, please go to the Discord server developers and take part in this interesting enough contest, where you can show your talents and try yourself in the role of maker of some interesting content. Thus you will get not only in the history of Melon Playground, but perhaps forever to fix yourself in the game. So I wish you good luck. I also heard a rumor from one of the developers of Melon Playground, or rather a person close to the developers of Melon Playground, that maybe next week a new update will be released, which will be an interim update. Christmas and global, the way it works in their heads. Maybe 19.5 will be Christmas and 20.0 will be global at the end of the month, or maybe it will be the other way around. 19.5 will be super global and 20.0 will be just Christmas. Anyway, how it works in the developer's head I don't really understand yet, and I hope they have some kind of plan. It has also come to my attention that they may be starting work on multiplayer in Melon Playground, which is very interesting and may or may not be some kind of failure. And I'd like to chat with you guys on this topic and speculate on what you think about it. And multiplayer, as for me, it's actually a great thing, because you can not just spend time in this game, you can invite a friend and together you can build some interesting things on the map, which I think is very interesting, especially cool if you can invite a friend to play with you. For people, which I think is great, you can 3 and 4 just do a huge cool job, but that's where the problem starts in another way. And it's optimization, Melon Playground, and so very buggy, in fact laggy game, and how they will cope with multiplayer I do not know yet, do not understand. Because to fix the joints that are currently in the game, they cannot, and how they will cope if these joints will be in 4 times the size. In general, this is an interesting enough topic for discussion. There is something to think about. Write your opinion in the comments, of course. But as it seems to me, one way in realizing this idea is that you need to create some kind of lobby. First you create some menu, let's say it will be a menu in this invitation code you have to send to your friend, and by this code your friend enters this lobby, and only from this lobby you start on the map. That's some of my understanding of multiplayer in Chalk Playground. Also, in order to save what you already have at the moment, you will need to save the game or this map, and let's say you have a saved map. I do not know, here is the coolest button that would be in Melon Playground is Save Map. So you don't have to save all your buildings or mods, you have to save the map itself. I feel like this would be very useful in Melon Playground. And even if you don't add multiplayer, developers, if you can hear me, make sure you add that context menu. So basically multiplayer is quite possible, but don't expect it for the next 2 to 3 updates. I think multiplayer will be available in about 6 months if the developers have actually started working on multiplayer. So our task is only to expect the best. Well, and write in the comments how do you like this idea from me, because I think that all the same management in Melon Playground is what is needed. At the moment the audience, because to manage Melon I think it is quite very interesting. At this point, the Melon control is very incongruous and as awkward as possible. And let's say even to create a movie you just have to either apply motion animation, which is also so bad, or somehow try to move this melon yourself. And it seems to me that if we add a control button, let's say, and with the help of this button we could use it would be a lot simpler. Let's say we could jump or run, for example, we could crawl on the ground, and I think with this context menu we would be able to create better content from Melon Playground. Write your opinion of course in the comments. Or just create more animations. At the moment only walking animation and crouching animation is available, which is for me is very little for such a big and cool game as Melon Playground. And let's say if you had 5, 6, 7, there could be 8 animations of running or walking. It would be a lot more energetic and fun, but we could create better content, we could create better movies and so on. All in all, as far as I'm concerned, it would only benefit us. Again, write your opinion in the comments. Well, that's the end of my video, unfortunately. Thank you all for watching, good luck to everyone, bye bye, and remember buddy. As always, I'll see you the other day.